It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, May 28th. I'm James Spann. We'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms across the state later today and tonight with a cold front approaching and then a really nice Memorial Day weekend ahead. Here's a look at the upper air view this morning. We have the ridge continues to weaken across the deep south, and we have troughing north and west of the state. It'll push a cold front through here. There's an upper low that's currently over Minnesota. That was the radar early this morning. A little before 5 o'clock, we had rain falling over parts of West Tennessee and North Mississippi. Temperatures this morning are in the 60s and 70s. Highs today will be in the 80s in most locations. Freeze warnings in effect for parts of Minnesota and the adjacent states, as they're going to be in some pretty cold air tonight. Also, scattered freeze warnings for parts of upper New England. Got a risk of severe storms today from Texas to the mid-Atlantic coast, and that does include much of north and central Alabama. Basically areas north of a line from near Jackson to Prattville to Roanoke. And the main threat with storms today will be coming from small hail and strong straight-line winds. No tornado threat. Then tomorrow, risks well to the east and west, and day 3 Sunday, got a chance of severe storms over West Texas and parts of New Mexico. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Big numbers over Texas and Oklahoma again. For Alabama, the heavier totals over the Tennessee Valley, amounts there between 1 and 2 inches. For most of the state, the totals will likely be under 1 inch. But we do expect to see an increase in rain activity again toward the latter half of next week. And the tropics quiet. Official start of the season comes up on Tuesday. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Troughing to the north and a cold front approaching, and that should bring showers and storms around. Here's the high-res HER model. This is valid today at 2 o'clock, and you can see a band of showers and storms, if the model is correct, from Huntsville down to about Millport. This is 5 o'clock. At that point, the better chance of showers and storms shifting down to the south of Interstate 59, south of Birmingham. And then by 8 o'clock tonight, showers and storms pushing into southeast Alabama. Maybe a few lingering isolated showers over the northeastern part of the state. And again, with the heavier storms, they could produce small hail, gusty winds, no tornado issues with no SRH values, storm relative felicity. Tomorrow, a really dry air mass settles in here. It's going to be a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine, highs in the mid-70s in most spots. That's 10 degrees below average. Sunday, we're going to see some spots in the 40s over North Alabama. That's awfully nice for a Memorial Day weekend. The high Sunday will be in the upper 70s. The sky will be bright and sunny. And Monday, Memorial Day, will be sunny with a high back in the middle 80s. So a really nice 3-day holiday weekend ahead. Tuesday, moisture begins to come back. We'll mention a few isolated showers. And then Wednesday, moisture is deeper. Have a chance of showers and storms, especially for the northern half of the state. Same thing on Thursday. And a week from today, this is Friday, June the 4th, troughing again north and west of the state, and again, a chance of showers and storms, most numerous over the northern and central counties. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June the 6th. Ridging beginning to rebuild, and if this is right, heat levels kind of creeping up and rain chances going down. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 11th of June. Temperatures, there's the cool down for the weekend. Highs back in the 70s tomorrow and Sunday, then back in the 80s next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for June 4th through June 10th. Temperatures around here would be awfully close to average if this happens to verify. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.